Okay, so I was sitting here making some overlays for my live stream, and I figured I'd do a little tutorial quickly because a lot of the new members may not know how to do these things, and I'm using Canva. Canva is fairly easy. So if you want to do something like, okay, so when someone follows me now, I made this, boom, and I can go, hey, thank you for the follow, and I can play, horns blowing and whatever, and I can dance, I can whatever, make it look funny, right? I made that in Canva. Okay, made this in Canva. Follow me. Okay, unmute. I made this one in Canva. Okay, good point. Maybe he says, hey, that's a good point you just said. Sometimes you don't have people in the chat and you want someone to say something to you, so you make a point and you go, hey, that was a good point. So, of course, and then I got my course over here. I put an overlay for my course. If I want to put the coupon for the course, unmute, and follow. And again, like I said, my favorite one is this one. All right, so how do you do it? You go to Canva. This is going to be quick. Now Canva, as creative as you want to be. I'm not going to be creative with this. I'm just going to show you the nuts and bolts of it. So you create a design, go to video. Okay, I think you don't have to go to video, but I go to video and then I change it later. So then you go up to elements, right? And you pick whatever shape you want to use. So I pick a shape like this. So then I can turn around up here and I can copy it, duplicate it, and I can turn it around like this, make a nice burst. Then you turn around and you go like that. This is a trick I just learned, and you group it, make it one. So now it's one piece, right? Perfect. Isn't that awesome? Now I can change the color on that, right? And I'm going to have to change the color on both of them. How do I do that? Pretty simple. All right, and you can make them two colors if you want to. So now that I did that, I turn around and I get my text, and I can change the font, whatever I want to do, and I can put follow in there, right? Follow. I can make it capital, whatever I want to do, right? Again, creativity is up to you. I'm not a graphic designer. I'm not an artist. I putz around. And then if I want to make that one piece, I can go that again, and I can group that all together. And then it's one piece, and I can make it smaller as a whole thing, right? So I can put that, and I can put it anywhere I want on the page, right? Because I'm going to download it as transparent. So now we're going to go over to share. We're going to download it. And we're going to go, it automatically defaults to MP4, but we're going to go to PNG. Go to PNG, and you're going to do a transparent background, right? You're going to download that. I'm not going to download it, but you can see I have one up here already. These are the ones I made already, okay? And then you just go and you upload it to I use Restream, okay? I use Restream. You don't have to use Restream. There's Restream. Okay, I use Restream. This will work with anyone, I'm pretty sure. You download them to your computer, you upload them to the software you're using, and then use it as an overlay. And all you got to do is click it, and it's there. It's awesome. Okay, so hope that helps. I hope that makes somebody happy, and you can learn something and make your live streams better. Okay, so you have to disclose your relationship with a brand when you're making shoppable videos. So this is going to be a very quick method. So you're going to go to Canva. If you don't want to mention it and speak about it in the video, we can do an overlay. So you come over to, this is video, let me move, video on Canva, okay? Very cool. Then you'll come over here to background, pick any background. I'm going to fly through this quickly because I don't want to waste your time. So you go to the background, then you go up to elements. You pick any, see all. You could pick any one, fancy one, regular one. We pick a square, okay? And we make it like it is, right? And you make it how big you want it. And we come up here and we're going to make that green. And we're going to make this one white, okay? So then you turn around and we're going to make this more brighter. So you're going to chroma key this out, this green. All right, so then you're going to go to your text and you're going to add a heading. Come on. All right. And you're going to write all right, let's make that a capital E. All right, we're going to change that to white. We're going to zoom that down to there, bring that down to there. All right, So then earns commissions. There you go. Now you can also upload your logo and put it up on here, and then you're going to download it, upload it right to whatever whatever video editor you're going to use. So I'm going to flip over to my video editor now that I have. So whatever you do here now, so you're going to, here we go to the video editor. All right. So you turn around, you're going to, it's layers, okay? So you're going to put your first video down here for your Shopville video, right? And then what you just did, your overlay, this is one I made before. Now, obviously you can't see it. So you're going to go into there and you're going to go into your chroma key and you're going to take out that color, and then there you go. So if I just play the video, okay, there's my overlay, commissions earned on the bottom, and my website up on top. You can put your logo, whatever you want up there, and that's it. Quick, in a nutshell. You download it, okay, and this works with any video editor,